purpose of the Centre of Excellence Day here is to showcase what we do here at Black Lab and really to showcase who we work with, okay? The technology that we embrace in this business and the suppliers that we work with every day enables us to deliver a world-class product.
First of all, I'd like to introduce you to Mr. Roger Botanis of Gallup Solutions. Gallup Solutions are a business management training company.
How do I actually lead change and how do I make an influence greater than I do today?
A lot of people talk about disruption in their industry these days, and it takes great visionaries to actually lead that disruption and the innovation in business and industry today. A lot of leaders are stuck actually in the operations of their business, and what I see in Dane in particularly is he has a very strong capability of innovation, and it's demonstrated today by this excellence showcase of how he thinks outside the box and how he can lead his people to lead manufacturing in a different space.
What Black Lab are doing here is finding new ways to solve traditional problems. They challenge manufacturing overseas, they challenge old ways of doing things, and we're just proud of being a part of it in terms of this lining up with our values and solutions that we're able to bring to the market.
Our approach here at Black Lab is all about educating our clients, and that's what today's all about, is showcasing how we design things, how we leverage technology inside the business, how we manage our business, and also who we partner with and what other businesses we partner with to grow and to move forward.
As an industrial designer, it's my responsibility to understand what's going on in industry, to keep an eye on technology, okay? And as an industrial designer, I embrace that technology early. I'm an early adopter of that technology. It's also my responsibility to understand how to leverage that technology in our business so that we can provide the best possible products to our clients. The Trump laser that we've put in place, it's opened up the capacity of materials we can supply to our clients. We can now cut brass, copper, mirror finish stainless. These materials in industry before were unheard of. You'd have to go through a water jet or a less efficient process.
We definitely have some high-end machines, there's no question about that, but we also have the talent in both Dane and Mike to be pushing the limits of those machines. I walked in here one day and we just happened to have some of the technicians from Trump, who was the manufacturer of the laser and the brake press, and we were able to show them things that they didn't know their machines could do. And that gives me goosebumps. We're able to go back and tell them, listen, we can make your machines do things that you don't even know it can do.
At first look, when you look at Black Lab, it looks like a sheet metal fabrication business. If you really delve into why and how the business came about, it's an industrial design consultancy with in-house sheet metal fabrication. Now, what we've learnt in that synergy of being able to come from a design or an idea and an understanding that we have with our client through to a production piece in sheet metal means that we can leverage that same skill set and push it into different industries, ultimately being able to potentially one day create a manufacturing mecca which might involve sheet metal fabrication, repetitive machining, thermoforming, plastics fabrication, even injection moulding.
I like the idea that the customer, when he leaves Black Lab, walks away probably with a little bit of an expanded awareness of what his product ultimately is all about, but also we pushed generally the boundaries a little bit for him.
We sometimes bring them out through the workshop, or all the time bring them out through the workshop. They look around and see what we do, and we take them through that education process. And before they've left, they're completely sold on the idea, and they've been educated, and what we call they've been Black Labbed, and away they go.